healing is relational. It's about bringing together two things that are supposed to be together but have been split apart, or separating things that are supposed to be separate but have been improperly or inappropriately tangled together. And this happens at all sorts of different levels. You think of your physical system, a broken bone. Those are two things that are supposed to be together that have come apart. We need to put them back together. An viral infection, right? We're connected with that virus in a way that we need to be separated from. And then it happens at emotional levels too. Am I pushing away some aspect of myself, my shadow, something I don't want to face? Well, we need to bring that back. Or am I tangling up a conversation I'm in now with something that happened to me a long time ago, right? I'm hooking those together. So I think it's a really powerful way to think about the energetics of healing. And when you're working with grieving and dying families, it's a process to help us figure out what's going on, because in that situation, it's also a matter of separating and bringing together. When someone dies, they've been part of this family on this side of the river in the village of the living, but they now need to make their way to the other side. And they're doing that at some level, but people here need to adjust that they're not here anymore, they're over there. And likewise, they need to be welcomed over there. And this family here on this side of the river who has been reconfigured because someone has died also needs help coming back together. So it's really helpful to think about the energetics of, is this a separating and a disentangling process we're involved in? Or is this a unifying and a bringing back together? And sometimes it's a bit of both.